Oh, Giacomo. Can Mommy go to the store?
Yes.
Okay, what do I need to get?
Milk.
Milk?
Yes.
Yeah? And what else?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk too?
Yes.
And
hey,
what?
Papi. Hey, Papi. I'm gonna go to the store and get chocolate milk and
Are you sure?
What else?
apple juice and milk, okay?
Okay, see, ask the mommy if they can take some banana for us, okay?
Okay. When you gonna go to the store, I'm gonna want to see the window. You're gonna go. You're
What
gonna
happens to my
go.
banana?
You're gonna go into apple juice, right? Gonna go to the store get apple juice.
You want apple juice?
Yes.
And what else?
Milk.
And milk?
And chocolate milk.
And chocolate milk too?
Yes.
Get your finger out of your nose.
Again, it was parcel.
Yeah, I see a big mess on the table.
Yeah, move the stuff. Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
Here you go. Hey, read.
What do you want to do?
Read this book.
What's the name of that book?
Wanna get a mouse cookie?
If you give a mouse a cookie?
Yes.
Do you love that book?
You wanna read it?
How about you read it?
You read it.
What's it about?
Wanna get a mouse cookie? I have a cookie on your head.
What's he going to ask for if you give him a cookie?
And crayons.
And crayons?
Over his mouth. And another mouth.
Look at Mommy. What do you want?
And
The end? Yay! Wow, you read that great.
where you going, Mommy?
Where am I going? I'm going to go to the store.
No, get the zip.
I have to zipper up my jacket?
Yes.
Yeah, because it's cold outside, or is it hot outside?
Hot inside.
If it's hot outside, why do I have to zipper it up?
The cold.
Oh, cold.
What? You don't have some shoes on.
I have my shoes on, yeah.
No.
What do you mean, no?
Because no. I want pizza.
You don't want pizza?
Yes.
Okay, so make some pizza.
No, it's not ready.
It's not ready.
Yes.
So where do you have to put it?
The fish.
Put it in the fridge?
Yes. Mommy, you get the eggs from the store.
Oh, I got that at the store.
Yes. We can count. What's at triangle and a triangle and triangle and triangle.
What's that?
Pumpkin. Head.
No, be careful. That's not fun.
Wow! Look at it!
What is that?
Here on.
It's on?
Yes.
What is it?
The Christmas.
Christmas.
Yes.
Christmas?